Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickFunnels for lead capture and follow up step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Build Funnel button. Select the lead capture funnel type from the list of options. Provide a name for your funnel and click Build Funnel. Choose a template that suits your brand and the purpose of your lead capture. Customize the template by clicking on the text elements. Edit the headlines and descriptions to clearly convey your message. Add a form to capture visitor information, like name and email. Ensure that the form fields are clearly labeled for ease of use. Next, configure the form settings by clicking on the form. Set the action to decide what happens after form submission. You can choose to send the information to your email, add to a list, or redirect to another page. To manage your leads, integrate your email marketing service. Find the integration settings under Account Settings. Connect your email marketing platform by selecting it from the integration options. Follow the prompts to enter API keys or necessary credentials. Once integrated, ensure that your lead capture form is connected to your email marketing list. Now, set up your follow-up emails. Navigate to the email section within your funnel settings. Create a new email sequence for the leads you'll capture. Craft engaging subject lines and body content for the emails. Schedule your emails at intervals that maintain engagement without overwhelming the recipient. Before finalizing, preview each email to ensure everything looks right. Save your changes and return to your funnel. Now, test your entire funnel by entering your own information into the lead capture form. Verify that the information is being sent to your email marketing platform. Check that the follow-up emails are triggered as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test. Once everything is working smoothly, publish your funnel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.